At Nordic Anglers, we pride ourselves in testing the gear out in the field. And today we're out testing this. This is the SIMMS FREESTONE combo, where you can buy a pair of waders in the Freestone series with a pair of Freestone boots. What this is basically a step up the ladder when it comes to durability, to breathability, when you compare it to SIMMS's most economic wader set, the Tributary. The first thing is that this has first of all a stronger material. It has a better and more breathable membrane. It has the Toray membrane, and that is probably the most crucial factor regarding the difference between this waders, the Freestone, and the Tributary. Also, if you look at this, the wading boot here, the Freestone wading boot is quite different from the Tributary one. You have a more uniform look here, and the full boot here is an artificial leather, and you'll see this rubber cap here. It moves further along behind on the boot, actually protecting your boot quite a lot better. Also, the way the lacings are done here is something I prefer to the Tributary one, and all of these are plastic, and that's great if you're fishing in salt water like we are today on the coast of Denmark. The gravel guard on the Freestone is also a bit better designed. It's made in this completely other material that really it fits well around the boot and protects you from all sand and silt and stuff. When you look at the overall waders, the basic construction here is very similar to a lot of the other SIMMS models. It has a four-layered lower part for reinforcement and to make this as durable as possible. And then the top part of the waders here is free-layered. Again, you have the two front pockets here. You can access easily from each side. It has a fleece lining on the inside to warm your hands. You have a big pocket to stow away your fly box or whatever. And on this model, you have the option to add a fly patch to the front of the waders. Inside the waders here, you have the option to buy a pouch that you can attach. This is not part of the set, so if you want an extra pocket, you'll have to buy it, but all the pockets will fit in here. And that's basically it for this waders. So what you get in comparison with the Tributary is you get a more durable waders, you get better boots if you compare the two kits to one another, and overall I must say that the feel of this, I've been fishing with this for a couple of trips now, I must say the feel of this is just that you get quite a lot more for not that many for not that much money if you take and compare the Tributary to the Freestone. So overall, I think this is a really good choice for the angler who maybe do not fish 5 times a week, but maybe 2 times a week or 1 time a week, because you will have these waders. These waders will last longer than the Tributary ones will. They're of course not as durable and not as strong as the more expensive one, like the new D3 or the D4. But this is a solid, strong waders and a really good bet for your money, and the best I've seen, definitely in its price range. So the Freestone waders, great value for money, and a really nice pair of waders.